Hi, welcome to Steve&Angela Fun TV, and today we are going to make miso ramen. This is Steve's absolute favorite. First, we're gonna pull out our noodle from the freezer. It's freezer ready. You just take it out from freezer and open the package, and you should be able to have your hot noodle soup in a couple minutes. So this noodle actually comes with the miso soup base package. I like the fact that it's not powdery. It's actually from the miso paste. First, I'm gonna boil some shiitake mushroom, and I have some frozen vegetable. It's always handy to have some frozen vegetable in the freezer, ready to go. You can always throw some veggie in your diet. And we are going to add the water instructed but from the package. I believe it's 350 cc. So I'm just gonna stir the vegetable around, and I'm gonna put the lid on to have it steam. When the vegetable is ready, I pull out the noodle and put it straight in as a frozen. I flip around. The noodles start just breaking apart. So I stir it around with the veggie in the pan, heating it through, and I open my miso package. I put everything in. Then I stir around, and the miso just blend into the water and season entire dish for you. Here I have some soft tofu. These are made to put in a soup, and I just put in little tiny slice in there. This is about 1/3 of the entire cube of tofu. Then it's plating time. I put a noodle first. Then I layer the shiitake mushroom and the veggie. Here is when you can creative to play whatever your heart desire. And our tofu. And finally, I slowly pour in the miso soup base. And here we have it. This meal was actually finished in 20 minutes. And Steve actually finished in 10 minutes. So from cooking till eating and finished it only take half hour. And this is the perfect meal for a rainy day weather, as we have rain for the last 7 days straight non-stop. So if you like this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe us. And we will see you next time. Bye!